What's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming by and checking out my channel. My name is Jason the Blessed Beardsman, and my channel is all about beard product reviews and men's grooming product reviews. And today I have an unboxing of some products sent by another YouTuber, and that's Brian from BMur'sbeardedexperiences, and I will put his information down in the description box below. So stay tuned for this awesome unboxing. All right, before I get started with this video, let me invite you to hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit the notification bell so you can be one of the first to see the new videos as they come out. And of course, you're always welcome to leave a comment or a question about this video or anything else beard related, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Brian from BMur'sbeardedexperiences is a friend of mine, a fellow YouTuber, and we message back and forth all the time, and we've even done a live feed together on Instagram, and we got the idea of trading some products. So I sent him a box up and he sent me a box down. He lives in Canada, so we kind of swapped some products, and I'm very excited to try the products that he sent. He sent me some products from Bossman brand beard company. He also sent some products from the Beard Baron and some samples and so forth. So really looking forward to what he sent me. I already opened the box just for the convenience of this unboxing, but I did not smell anything or try anything out, so I wanted to give you my first impression as I opened it. The first thing he sent are some really awesome stickers from Bossman brands. So that sticker there, and then this one here, which is really awesome as well. Nice big stickers. So definitely cool on that. I sent him some stickers as well. The first product I'm going to talk about is one that I've wanted to try for a very long time, and that is the Bossman brand, their beard jelly oil. And it's a mixture between beard oil and beard butter or beard balm. So it has kind of a jelly, kind of gooey type substance, and I've never tried it before, always wanted to. So he sent me one in the gold scent. And so this here, it has some directions on it. Apply evenly to beard and comb in for best results. Apply after washing with Bossman Intense Conditioner. And then the ingredients: soybean oil, beeswax, castor seed oil, sunflower seed oil, avocado oil, shea butter, cocoa seed butter, tocopherol, cedarwood oil, spruce oil, lemon oil, and capric triglycerides. So let's go ahead and take a peek at this. Shake it up some. Has a nice little twist cap here. You just twist it open, and we'll put a little bit in the hand. So it looks like that. It's right in the middle of it. It looks just like a gooey gel type substance. Let's take a smell. That's really nice. You get the citrus from the lemon, but the wood from the, I think it was cedarwood and spruce oil come through too. So it's kind of like a mixture of a citrus and a woodsy smell. That's really, really nice. I'm looking forward to that. I know a lot of people put that in at nighttime before bed, so that's a really nice smell on that, a really nice scent on that one. He also sent me, to go with it, the Fortify Intense Beard Conditioner. And I think that both of these, let me see if it says on here, yes, both of these are 4 ounces. So this is in the same scent as the beard jelly. The directions: apply to wet beard and wait 2 minutes and rinse thoroughly. You only use twice a week. For best results, apply Bossman jelly beard oil after towel dried. The ingredients: mango butter, rosemary leaf extract, argan oil, avocado oil, aloe leaf juice, jojoba esters, betaine, sunflower seed oil, glycerin, coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, soybean oil, castor seed oil, polysorbate 80, panthenol, cedarol, alcohol, and then some other names that I'm not even going to try to pronounce. But there's also lemon oil, spruce oil, and the cedar oil there for the scent. Same exact smell as the beard oil. So that is the Bossman brand beard jelly and the Fortify conditioner. Next, he sent also a Bossman brand beard oil, and this is in their magic scent. Comes in an amber squeeze plastic bottle with the pump top. And here the directions says apply 2 to 3 pumps in palm and massage into skin and beard for best results. Use after a shower. The ingredients: jojoba seed oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, soybean oil, sunflower seed oil, jojoba esters, beeswax, safflower seed oil, castor oil, shea butter, and that tocopherol. It's a sandalwood, vanillin, bergamot, frankincense, and patchouli scent. So shake it up a little bit. Let's take a whiff here. Actually, I'll just pump some in my hand. Looks like that. It's a clear oil. That's a really nice scent too. Almost a cologne type scent. That smells really good too. I've smelled something similar to that. I can't remember what company it was from, but that's a really nice too, and it's a little bit thicker. It's a little on the thicker side. So that is the Bossman brand Magic Scent Beard Oil. Now he sent me a beard oil and a matching beard balm from the Beard Baron. And it's a 1 ounce, I believe, 1 ounce bottle of the Capulet. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Capulet scent. Very nice label. You can see it's a frosted glass bottle and a very nice label. You can see the color of the oil through the bottle. So it a little bit on the light yellow side. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at and smell the scent and take a first impression of the oil. I will say that the ingredients on here, it says contains jojoba oil, argan, castor, grape seed, sweet almond oil, external use only, scented, may contain allergens, and has their website, which is thebeardbaron.com. It is part of their private stock, their premium beard oil, and it is made in the USA, which I didn't know that. So that's kind of cool. Let's take a smell here. That's really nice. Really, really nice. Man, I really like that. It's more of a cologne scent as well to me. That smells really, really nice. That might be my favorite that he sent so far. And then he also sent a beard balm. Let me take the plastic wrap off of it. This is a 2 ounce tin. Very nice label. On the back, it has the ingredients on it. And it says, it also has some instructions. Scrape balm with fingernail, warm between fingers, apply to beard, contain beard wax, shea butter, jojoba oil, and grape seed oil, and it's also scented. It's a clear, or not a clear, a white balm, and it's pretty firm. You have to push a little bit to get it to come out. Got some on my thumb. See how it emulsifies here. Emulsifies pretty quickly. See? Man, that's really good. I love that smell. That's what he sent me. The Beard Baron balm and oil. And then the Bossman brand oil in the magic scent. And the beard jelly, which I'm really excited to try. And the Fortify conditioner. So that's what he sent me. Thank you, Brian, for sending me those products. And really looking forward to trying those out. Once I get through some other reviews that I have planned and I get some time, I'll be doing a review on these products. So you can look for those maybe in a month or so. here on my channel. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you check out Brian's YouTube page, and that is, or YouTube channel, that is Beamer's Bearded Experience. And I will put the link down in the description box for his information, or for his channel as well. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Be sure to leave me a comment or a question. And until we see you on the next video, stay blessed, stay bearded. Bye-bye.